Hi, I'm Adam with the Markham Fire and Emergency Services, and I want to talk to you about smoke alarm installation. The fire code now requires a smoke alarm to be installed on every level of the home. The best location for the smoke alarm is on the ceiling and in open floor areas. One thing you want to keep in mind with your smoke alarm installation, you want to keep it away from the kitchen and the bathrooms. Any moisture buildup in those areas is going to trick the smoke alarm into thinking that there is smoke because it can't differentiate between moisture and smoke, and it's going to create some unnecessary false alarms. We want to prevent those. I'm Adam with Markham Fire and Emergency Services. You stay safe now.